what it do, all my paper chasers for life squad, all my YouTubers, Facebookers, CDL holders, TikTokers. You know who you is. You know you don't need no CDL to rock out with your boy G-DAWG. Because as long as you rocking out with me, I'm rocking out with you, fam. As long as you doing it right, you doing it tight, we family for life. No doubt. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Still over here in New Stanton, Pennsylvania. Yes, sir. Hope everybody out there doing all right. Hope y'all out there chasing that paper, catching that paper, putting that paper away for a rainy day. And we have some bad weather going on up here in the Northeast and the Midwest and all of that stuff. But it's all good. You just got to take it easy, take it slow, and make sure you get there in one piece. Get back to your family in one piece the same way you left them. Digga, feel me? That's all you got to do. Like I said on the last video, no load in your trailer is worth your life. You digga, feel me? No load. Man, we just out here scratching and clawing and chasing that paper like a paper chase supposed to. You digga, feel me? Sometimes you got to go where you don't want to go, and it's all about making money at the end of the day. The bottom line is get that paper, get that bag, but be safe while you're doing it. You digga, feel me? No doubt. I just got the phone call to go and hook up to my trailer and then go in there and get my paperwork so I can get up out of here and move on to the next load. Y'all might be saying, where you going, G-DAWG? What's the deal, man? You be out there doing your thing. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Shout out to my man Jake Break. Yes, sir. Shout out to my man Brandon Balderas. Y'all go check out barachosapparel.com. Y'all go check that out for my man Brandon Balderas. Check him out on TikTok. My man be doing some crazy little videos on TikTok. But he's real positive guy, and that's what I love, man. I love positive people. Digga, feel me? So, where I might be going, your boy gotta go to Albertus, Pennsylvania, pick up in the morning, and go over to Omaha, Nebraska for a Monday delivery. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your boy going to do a drop and hook and pick up that load there and have a new trailer. Well, not a new trailer, just a different trailer than the one I got now. And start heading on over there to Omaha, Nebraska to deliver on Monday morning. So, with that being said, I hope y'all ready to do it, because y'all know me, I'm always ready to do it. And it's a weekend run, good paying load. Can't deny that, man. And it's light. So, if y'all ready to do it, y'all know me, I'm always ready to do it. So let's get into it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's go, all my wonderful people. Let's go get that money. Let's go pick up this load and let's handle our business. I'll see y'all over in Albertus, Pennsylvania in the morning. Yes, sir. Yes, sir, my people. We has made it, me and Shawty. We made it over here to the Knoll distribution center over here in Albertus, Pennsylvania. And look at that trailer number there. It's airing up right now. So yeah, last inspected on 10/25. The one that was supposed to go there fell off somewhere, but there we go right there, 10/25. That's what you're looking for. And look at here. It's got the skirts on it. Oh, man. Your boy don't usually get these kind of trailers that much. And I think I'm going to be on this one for a while, because the loads I got planned out are all live load and live unloads. So, yeah, everything is Gucci. let's open it up. See what's going on in there. I think it's some kind of furniture or something. I'm not sure. Oh, I can't get it open. There we go. Man, it's loaded all the way to the back. But it's light, and that's a good thing. You dig, feel me? Letting it air up right now. And when you get here, you'll pull into where the shipping and receiving office is. And it's about middle ways down the parking lot there, about middle ways. You'll go in there, you'll sign 2 clipboards, one for the empty trailer you're bringing in and one for the loaded trailer you're taking out. And make sure you got your pickup number. Make sure you're straight with your pickup number. Got good rubber on that trailer. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Everything is working. Everything is copacetic. It's airing up right now, so probably gonna hear a loud pop here in a little bit. Then that'll be the trailer airing up. But you'll go in there, you'll sign 2 clipboards, like I said, and then they'll have you come around here to the back side. They'll give you a slot where they want you to drop your empty trailer, and then you'll have a loaded slot for your loaded trailer, and trailer number and everything. You'll sign your paperwork, and you're out of there. You're out of there. So your paperwork comes in a packet. I haven't opened up the packet yet, but hopefully it's got a seal in there. Plus I'm gonna put the lock on here, and we're gonna start getting on down. I'm on my 30-minute break for right now, and after that's over, it's gonna be time to ride. It's gonna be time to glide, no doubt. Your boy is booked all the way to the 18th. I mean to the 15th. Yeah, to the 15th. I'm booked to the 15th. So yeah, good deal right there. Trying to get as much done as I can before the Christmas holiday, so I can be home for Christmas. I'd like to be there for New Year's, but I'm not too worried about New Year's, you know. I'd rather be making money, or if it's good enough for me to be home for both, then I'll be home for both. But if not, then it's all good. I'll be there for my youngest daughter's birthday and my oldest daughter's birthday. So I'm good with that, you know. I'm good with that, as long as I get to spend some time with my girls. But I'm gonna finish out my 30-minute break, and then it's gonna be time to ride and glide. Now holler back at y'all later. Y'all know the deal. Yes, sir. Let's keep getting that money. Chasing life here. See that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Coming down. Y'all know what it is. So you can go to the merch shop, get that paper chaser for life gear. Happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday, all my people. Made it over here to Girard, Ohio, exit 226 off of 80. No matter if you're going east or if you're going west, it's gonna be exit 226 over here on 80. The fuel here is $3.55 cash, $3.61 credit. I got it for $2.34. I went finna pass that up. Went on the top the 504 Express off, and it's a Petro right across the street from here. It's $3.57 credit over there and $3.51 cash. But yeah, that was pretty dope. $2.34. That's the go that way. Go potty. Go potty. Go that way. It's another dog out here. Somebody walking their dog at the same time. Go that way. Go. Perfect. I'm trying to make her go the opposite way because she like to be friendly and run up on other dogs, and not all dogs are friendly. You know what I mean? And people are scared of pit bulls, so you know, don't want to have no ruckus out here this morning with all that. But yeah, about to get up out of here and start heading west and check the weather right now. Look like I'm gonna run into some of this white stuff here on the way, but just gotta slow down, take it easy, and pray for the best. You know, got some crazies out here that want to be hauling ass, can't be doing that, and they don't realize that. But hopefully the roads are good to go, and if not, then you know, just gotta take it easy and take it slow, and don't try to be in no rush. You can feel me? But we're gonna get on down through there. There's the 504 Express over there. Sitting there warming up, ready to get down. But it ain't that bad out here right now. It's cold, but it ain't real bad. It's like calm. But you know what they say, is always a calm before the storm. You feel me? So I'll get back with y'all later, and we'll go from there. Love you guys. Have a great day. God bless. Yes, sir. Don't forget to give praise to the Lord. Monday morning, all my paper chasers. Happy Monday morning. Made it over to Atkinson, Illinois yesterday. Stayed over at the Loves and just got up and got ready to get up out of there. And there was a wreck there in the parking lot. Held me up for about an hour. So just got out of there and got back on the road. Right there by the entrance. There's only one way in and one way out of that Love's, and a couple of guys got tangled up right there at the entrance. I don't like putting people's misfortune on the camera, so I left that alone, you know. But man, right there, like all the places to get entangled in the parking lot, y'all get entangled right there where people got to come in and out, you know. But it's all good. Gonna head on over here to Omaha, drop this load off, and then I'll see y'all when I get there. Y'all be safe on this Monday morning. Hope y'all had a good weekend, and we'll see y'all a little bit. Yes, sir. Hello people, hello. Made it over here to Ford Storage over here in Omaha. Kind of confusing, but when you get here, there's no guard to check in with or anything like that. And I'm dropping off to those guys in that truck there, AOI. Had a couple of guys sitting in a minivan when I got here, and they brought me inside and all right, yeah, that nice young man right there. He was sitting in the minivan when I got here and brought me inside to get checked in because the equipment on the truck is for them, but this is like a holding warehouse that holds their pallets for them, and then when they're ready to use them, they have to come over here and have it put onto their trucks. That little truck I just showed you right there, they have to get it put onto there. Kind of weird, but it is what it is. He said it is what it is on that. You know, these guys just hold the pallets for them here at Ford Storage here in Omaha. But when you get here, you'll have to follow the road all the way around, and then just keep looking up at the buildings here, and then you'll see building 30 here is Ford Storage. So that's where we're at. So they're finna go in there and get the load unloaded. He was waiting on his crew to get back, and those two guys just got back in that bigger truck there. I don't know if any more guys are showing up, but they're gonna unload it and put it in the warehouse there, wherever they have to put it at. And then me and Shawty up out of here. We'll be moving on to our next load. So let's go do it for this load. She over there rolling around in the snow, y'all. She crazy, a little hick dog. But we're gonna end the video here, guys. I'm gonna say thank you for all the love and the support. Appreciate each and every one of y'all, no doubt. And let's keep it moving. We ain't got long left in 2025. We're gonna bring 2026 in with a bang and keep getting this money. You feel me? Yeah, believe it or not, the sun is up there somewhere above those clouds, and y'all know what's up there farther than that. It's the universe, baby. We want that universe, you know, the rest of 2025 and beyond. And we gonna get it too, because we ain't settling for less. You dig or feel me? So I'll holler at y'all on the next episode. Get ready to start here shortly. Y'all know the deal. Yes, sir. Chasing for life, yeah. Y'all see that? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Coming down. Y'all know what it is. So you can go to the merch shop, get that paper Chasing for Life gift.